Hello. Magic circle is probably the thing I get asked about the most. We're going to start with our strand of yarn. So we've got the short end, the open end here, long end, the end that's connected to the ball of yarn. We're going to cross the long end over the short. So it looks like a little ribbon, like something you'd pin to your coat. We're going to hold right where they cross. So you just have that little loop up there. We're going to take the hook from the front toward the back of the loop. And then we're going to grab the yarn. We're going to pull it up through to the front. So now we've got a little loop up front here. We're going to wrap the yarn over one more time. We're going to pull through. That's the whole magic circle. So when you're working in your magic circle, you've got two strands on that one side. That's the side that you're going to work into. So you're going, when you're making your beginning stitches, you're just coming down that way. That's it. That's the whole thing right there. So we're going to do it the other way. So if you're working left-handed, your two strands end up on the other side. Obviously your hooks go in the other direction. For our left-handed magic circle, we're still going to cross the long end in front of the short. We're still holding right where they cross. We've got our hook in our left hand. One thing I'm going to do a little different on this side is bring that yarn up and hold it so it's already, that's going to leave that strand on the side we want it on. So we're going to go in, we're going to pull that from the back to the front, and then we're going to take the yarn over our hook and pull through that last loop. So that is our magic circle complete on our left-handed hook. So we've got the two strands, now they're on the right side. So when you go in, you're just working down that way. And when you're done putting all your stitches in, you just pull your tail, brings that little circle together.